here in Haverhill, Massachusetts at the Museum of Printing. We're all having a chuckle over this. In any case, I'm here with a very famous person. Your name is?
Shoshana Burgett.
Now, Shoshana has a very interesting history in this industry. She started as a graphic designer, worked for Xerox on the introduction of the iGen 3, and most recently was at Pantone and was an evangelist for color. I know you did many other things, but I'm trying to just summarize it simply. But you now have an entirely new career.
So Colorkarma is meant to be a resource or a center, a hub, so to speak, for the creatives to go to learn about production, learning about what it takes to produce a job on any type of material, not just print, and learn how to produce it correctly, take advantage of the technology, and also kind of streamline their processes and give them more innovative tools to understand that technology. So the website has many things as we build it out. It has a list of all the awards and competitions because there's so many out there. I'm acronym phobic, so there is an acronym list there for sure. I always say make my life easier, and that's the goal of Colorkarma, is making people's lives easier by having that resource there. There's international paper sizes, so if you wanted to understand the different types of sizes. And then we do featured articles every week, some again on print, so print on paper. We do them on wraps, so building wraps, car wrap, immersive experiences, we use the term today. And we also have textiles, so learning about patterns and the different types of things about textiles. We have a news feed of all the latest news. And then one of my favorite areas is something called design fails, where people can anonymously submit mistakes they've done through the years, and kind of just release it out there so that others who do those similar mistakes, we all kind of stumble as we learn. I'm not the same person I was when I graduated college. So we learn, and I wanted to put that in a safe space for people to share their mistakes and what they learned so that, you know, we all improve and we all kind of just move forward. And it's about passing it forward.
And the site is called?
Colorkarma.com.
All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much.